Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Today, you're in for a real treat. I'm not just going to show you how to make one thing. I'm going to show you how to make a full meal, one whole meal. It's going to have salmon seared perfectly in a pan with that nice crispy exterior and the soft, succulent, juicy interior. We're going to have wonderful, soft, sweet potatoes with a little sour cream on top. And, oh yes, we're gonna make some special Brussels sprouts with bacon and just an amazing flavor. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to do it right. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. This is a trigger warning. You are about to see me use dry dill and parsley as opposed to fresh. One of the things that we cooks always have to do when we are at home is utilize what we have. Unfortunately, dill and parsley have become quite expensive these days. If you would like to help me to purchase better produce for these videos, feel free to become a Patreon or buy me a coffee. Links in the description below. You have been warned. Sorry about this, family. This is what happens when you double click on the record button by accident. You actually don't record what you want to, and then when you hit the pause button, you record what you don't need to. So here's the instructions on how to assemble the Brussels sprouts. You're going to take the onion garlic mixture that you've set aside. You're going to drop all of the Brussels sprouts that have been cooling on the side into that mixture, along with the bacon, and then you're going to stir all that goodness up, getting that bacon grease nice and covering up all that wonderful Brussels sprouts and getting it just beautifully mixed together in with the garlic and the onion. Oh, and the red wine vinegar. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this. Thanks for your patience. Thank you for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to receive updates on future episodes as they come out. Also consider becoming a Patreon, or if you'd like, purchase me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.